cat goes meow, 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 meow. A dog goes woof, 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 woof. And a horse goes neigh, 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 neigh all day. A pig goes oink, 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 oink. A duck goes quack, 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 quack. And the sheep goes ba, 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 ba. What a star! Animals talk. Do the animals talk? Yes, the animals talk. Animals talk. Yes, the animals talk in their own special way. A cow goes moo, 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 moo. A mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And a bird goes tweet, 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 tweet on the beat. A chicken goes cluck, 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 cluck. A frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. And a bee goes buzz, 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 buzz. What a fuss! The animals talk. Do animals talk? Yes, the animals talk. Animals talk. Yes, the animals talk in their own special way. A snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. A cockerel goes cock-a-doodle-doo. And an owl goes ooh, how do you do? A bear goes grrr, 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 grrr. A lion goes roar, 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 roar. And a donkey goes ee-yaw, ee-yaw, ee-yaw some more. Animals talk. Do the animals talk? Yes, the animals talk. Animals talk. Yes, the animals talk in their own special way. Animals talk. Do animals